Oh, hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. It's March 31st, about 52 degrees. There's got to be an easier way that front door of the shed can go up. It's such a pain in the balls. Why am I getting access to the Smyrna? Because some nut wants to see it today. I have it listed for $12.75. Maybe I should raise the price. Oh, whatever. It's in excellent condition. It's been sitting here all winter since I fixed it. It's in excellent condition. I'm gonna try to start it up. I don't remember what I did, if there's any gas in it, whatever. But if it starts right up, drive it to the front, wait for the guy to come and check it out, and then hopefully he'll come back and buy it. Need some air in the left tire or the right tire. Rear's good. All right, let's see. Choke. Got this in the mail from my friends over at HISEA Outdoors. They sell outdoor gear, mostly boots and work shoes, steel-toed, hunting. Wow! I always wanted a pair of these. Some camo. These are Strata Camel, 400 gram with 3M Thinsulate. Get the bottom tread. Completely waterproof. You can walk and wade into small ponds, whatever, up to here. I always needed a pair of winter snow boots and also for rainy days. Pair of boots. I got these for my son. It's his style, not my style, but it's his style. He's gonna love them. Try them on. wearing my new HISEA hunting boots. Oh my God, so comfortable. 100% keep dry and warm, 100% lifetime warranty, 100 years. Got one of my review product tire inflators with me. Relatively quick with that thing. Let's test the PTO, huh? Runs great, PTO runs great, headlights work, tires pumped up. There's nothing wrong with this thing. Let's hope the guy wants to buy it for $12.75. This is the GHome Smart switch. It's a 4-pack. These are switches where you add onto your existing light switches in your house, but these are smart switches which pair to your phone, and you can control the light switch from anywhere that you still have your phone. Once it's paired, it connects to your Wi-Fi, and then once these are installed, you can also pair them to your Alexa or Google Assistant. So you can just say, hey Google, turn on the lights. Hey Alexa, turn on the kitchen lights. So this is really handy to have. It's a 4-pack, it's very inexpensive. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want one. Actually, now this gives me a perfect opportunity to get that tractor out of here. That's my next victim. It is also my last thing to fix. I don't have anything else to fix. So as you guys saw from time lapse, guy came to look at it. Really nice guy. He's like a plumber. He does kitchens and baths and stuff like that. Anyway, he was looking it over before I even came out, you know, and I don't think he realized how old of a model it was, and for him to pay the $12.75, he was gonna pass on it. So he was a tire kicker, but I can understand that 100%. And he didn't offer any money. In other words, if he said, I'll give you $800 for it to let me ponder whether or not I would let it go for $800, which I wouldn't have, but he didn't even bother doing that. So he's got his mind set on a certain thing, and if he doesn't see it right away, he's not gonna buy it. That's the way that goes. So kind of wasted my time, but it was good to know that this thing starts up right away, no problem, and drove out here, and we added some air in the tires and stuff like that, and tested it out, you know, for the next nut that comes, you know. So we didn't get a sale today, but it is what it is. You know, you do this trial and error thing, you know, you're gonna get tire kickers if you guys sell equipment on your own, you know. And if you have stuff sitting around your yard that you don't need, sell it, get rid of it. Clear up your yard of clutter and stuff that you don't use, because you're not getting rich having it sit in your backyard. But if you can get some money for stuff that you're not using, get the money, because money is worth more now than the junk in your backyard. Wouldn't you agree? Think about that for a minute while I pull this back into the shed. See that? No big deal. Drive it out, let him see it, drive it back in if he doesn't buy it. No real big skin off my back, but I was able to get the next project at least out of the shed and get it ready for when I decide I was going to start working on it. If you'd like to be a product tester for HISEA Outdoors, you just have to listen to what I have to say. HISEA is opening up their product tester recruitment program from April 26, 2023 to May 16th, 2023. You'll have an opportunity to sign up and be one of very few picked to be a HISEA outdoor product tester. They want people like us, regular Joes, to test their new products. If you get picked, they'll send you their free products and they want your honest opinion. Go check the link in the description for the HISEA Outdoor Product Tester Recruitment Program. Sign up right now because spots will fill up right away. Good luck.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.